This iRESTORE hair growth laser system. Yeah. We're gonna unbox it together. I'm super excited to try it because, you know, we're all about hair. So this is a laser hair growth system. It's the professional. It is a 25-minute treatment. Dermatologist recommended and enhanced scalp coverage. So, you wanna put it on? Let's open it up. You wanna help me?
Happy Mama.
Here, hold this.
Okay.
Alright, so you get a 2-year warranty within 30 days of receipt. Helmet hair has never looked so good. Let's see.
Take it.
I mean, oh, I think you can walk around with it. I am super excited for this. Okay, so it's portable. Awesome. So you can literally like put this on your head, do your 25-minute red light therapy treatment, grow your hair, and then keep going on about your day. Let's see. So this is the professional device that has revolutionized the hair growth industry. It is a Lumitech-like technology, provide enhanced scalp coverage to promote hair growth in larger areas of hair loss compared to most laser cuts on the market. I think it's a really cute look. Charger. Let's see how this works. Alright, so what to expect. In the first 3 months, you may see shedding of weak and thin hairs. 3 to 6 months, hair loss has slowed. And then 6 to 12 months, hair shedding should have stopped or slowed down by now. And you should have visible growth of fuller hair. And then within 12 to 24 months, this is a period of maximum growth. Expect to see continued improvement with consistent usage. So I think I'm going to try this out. Maybe like once a day. Maybe every other day, and just see how my scalp does. So yeah, this is just a red light therapy helmet to help you grow your hair. How cool.
What?
So,
Happy Mama.
you're happy. I'll share when I first use it. I'm gonna get this thing charged and read more on it and like see the exact instructions. But I am gonna give it a shot tomorrow. Let's see if it'll even turn on. No, I need to charge it. So we'll charge it and then we'll do a 25-minute treatment. And I'll just kind of take y'all on my journey of using this. I think this paired with everything I'm doing to take care of my scalp as is. Don't worry about y'all. I'm gonna have like mermaid hair down to my booty in a few months. No doubt.